So this is basically the chatbot that I ended up creating for this appeal food brand called Wolverine, which I'll recommend for any person that's in the whole construction phase and whatnot. So yeah, as you can see, this is the customer support chatbot that I actually went about prompting it, and I want you to just take a look at as the initial approach of us engaging, and over here I said hi, and here it's basically trying to understand what issue it is that I'm looking to solve. And it says, and then I replied, I'm looking for a new pair of boots. Great choice. To help you find a perfect pair of boots, it basically goes on this whole thing of now it's trying to understand the customer's issue. In this case, it's me, and I reply, say I'm a minor. Then in a way, it basically connects with me as the customer emotionally in a way to basically understand my current situation. It goes on further to say, next question, are you looking for a boot with any specific features or something like that? It's then going on to basically engage with the customer, which is how I actually went about prompting it. Then it says the shoe must, then I chose at least two. I was like, the shoe must have the following features: steel and electric hazard protection. Then we went on and it went on and says got it, like a human. It didn't reply robotic or anything like that. So it continuously went on further, and this part over here actually blew my mind because I wasn't expecting it to basically respond like this, but it actually did. And I eventually went with cold environment please and not like that. Then it took all of that into consideration and literally asked me the last question, which is, do you have a preference for boot height? Some people prefer the added ankle. Now take a look at this. It says some people. So in a way, it's basically I don't know the terminology, but yeah, it's doing its own thing. It's doing its own thing. But then as we move on, I said middle please. Then it says based on your request for steel toe electric hazard protection insulation for cold waters and a preference of middle height boots, I recommend checking out our Durag shock lines, right? And I'll check it later. I did it previously, but I'll check it later again just to show you that it actually works. And then it basically goes into details as to what kind of benefits me as the customer I'll get from actually using this. And it's basically answering possible questions related to the customer that might actually have regarding the boot. Then it says this style has been highly rated for its durability. Take note, it's basically implementing some form of testimonials over here. Sadly, I cannot basically redirect it customers who actual testimonials, but as you can see, it says according to several reviews from customers in the mining industry. Right now, as it continues to going down, it says, remember, working in mine environments without protective footwear can expose your potential injuries and discomfort. Right, then it continuously just does that and that and that. Then like there was this point where it actually upsold me on something. Oh, so here it is. It says, since you're choosing to consider our steel toe insulated boots, you might also be interested in our durable work pants. Take note of this. It's actually upselling customers on a complimentary product and high performance socks designed to offer additional protection and comfort. As you can see, it's literally adding on to the whole product that actually recommended at the back end, and this is pretty smart of it. I did not think of basically prompting it in such a manner, but eventually it did. And if I go to the update session, you will literally see the prompt that I actually used. It's still loading. Okay, so it's done, and of course I cannot show you guys the whole initial prompt, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you like this piece over here. Like, yeah, this is what I can actually show you guys, but other than that, I'm sorry, but I cannot. And since I said I'm gonna do that for the last time, let's see. Okay, you're gonna go on search, right? So you're gonna search for the Duro sock, and as you can see, this is the whole product line related to the whole product recommendation the bot actually recommended us at the end. And as you can see, this is basically the line the product line they actually get they have. So right now I'm just clicking on it, waiting for it to load. Loading, loading. Now as you can see, this is the entire line of the product. Then this is basically where the customer themselves just goes and just choose which boot they actually want. Then yeah,